The new SC3 rotating brush, the all-rounder for maintaining and cleaning track and turf surfaces. This innovative machine combines 3 brush systems, making it perfect for track, turf, and hockey courts. With an adjustable sieve and a wider suction channel, the SC3 delivers enhanced performance, efficiently capturing debris without the need for an auger. Optional side brooms allow for thorough cleaning of edges and tight spaces, ensuring no area is left untouched. Its unique design adapts to sand and rubber-filled systems, organic infill, non-filled or wet systems, as well as running and jogging tracks, walkways, and parking areas. Experience versatile and powerful cleaning by attaching the SC3 rotating brush, the new standard for track and turf maintenance.